I'm going to show you how to turn a frayed iPhone charging cable into a nice, clean, repaired cable. To do this, you need electrical heat shrink tubing. This can come from any electrical supply store or from the electrical department of any home supply store. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need a heat gun. The first step is to determine the length I need for my inner tube. And that tube is going to run from there down below there. So that's about 1 inch. The outer tube is going to run up over the crack here in the plastic housing. So it's going to be longer by about the amount that I want it to overlap, just as the way this one overlaps here. Electrical heat shrink tubing shrinks when heat's applied to it. So I can take something this size that's big enough to slip over the end here. When I apply heat to it, it'll shrink. And I'm going to use both diameters to get a clean repair. After I've cut my tubings, I take the smaller one and slit it lengthwise. Now, I slide my larger tube over the lightning connector and down onto the cord. I then take my smaller tube and wrap it around the damaged section of cable. Once that's done, I'm going to slide the large tube up and put it into final position, covering everything up. Here comes the heat. And voila, it's done. Now this may not be as good as new, but it looks just like this, and it's going to work for a long time to come.